Probability defined as quantitative measure of uncertainty, a numerical value that conveys the strength of our belief in the occurrence of an event. The probability of an event is always a number between 0 and 1, both 0 and 1 inclusive. If an event's probability is nearer to 1, the higher is the likelihood that the event will occur. The closer the event's probability to 0, the smaller is the likelihood that the event will occur. If the event cannot occur, its probability is 0. If it must occur, that is, its occurrence is certain, its probability is 1. Random experiment. An experiment is random means that the experiment has more than one possible outcome and it is not possible to predict the certainty which outcome that will be. For instance, in an experiment of tossing a coin, it can be predicted with certainty that the coin will land either heads or tails up, but it is not known for sure whether heads or tails will occur. If a die is thrown once, any of the 6 numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, may turn up. Not sure which number will come up. Outcome. A possible result of a random experiment is called its outcome. For example, if the experiment consists of tossing a coin twice, some of the outcomes are HH, HT, etc. Sample space. A sample space is the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. In fact, it is the universal set S pertinent to a given experiment. The sample space for a experiment of tossing a coin twice is given by S equal to HH, HT, TS, TT. The sample space for the experiment of drawing a card out of a deck is the set of all cards in the deck. Event. An event is a subset of a sample space S. Type of events: impossible and sure events. The event set phi and the sample space S describe the events. In fact, phi is called an impossible event and S, the whole sample space, is called sure event. Simple or elementary event. If an event E has only one sample point of a sample space, that is a single outcome of an experiment, it is called a simple or elementary event. The sample space of the experiment of tossing two coins is given earlier S. Here, event E1 equal to HH containing a single outcome HH of the sample space S is a simple or elementary event. Compound event. If an event has more than one sample point, it is called a compound event. Complementary event. Given an event A, the complement of A is the event consisting of all sample space outcomes that do not correspond to the occurrence of A. The complement of A is denoted by A dash or A bar. It is called as the event not A. Further, PA bar denotes the probability that A will not occur. A dash equal to A bar equal to S minus A equal to W, such that W belongs to S and W not belongs to A. Event A or B. If A and B are two events associated with same sample space, then the event A or B is same as the event A union B and contains all those elements which are either in A or in B or in both. Furthermore, PA union B denotes the probability that A or B or both will occur. Event A and B. If A and B are two events associated with sample space, then event A and B equal to A intersection B and contains all those elements which are common to both A and B. PA intersection B denotes the probability that both A and B will simultaneously occur. The event A but not B. Difference A minus B. An event A minus B is the set of all those elements of the same space S which are in A but not in B. That is A minus B equal to A intersection B dash. Mutually exclusive. Two events A and B of a sample space S are mutually exclusive if the occurrence of any one of them excludes the occurrence of other event. Hence, two events A and B cannot occur simultaneously and thus PA intersection B equal to 0. Simple or elementary events of sample space are always mutually exclusive.